हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर है वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द चैप्टर नंबर 23 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज स्टोरी राइटिंग। Now there is the part A given tips to develop a story. कुछ ऐसे tips दे रखे हैं आपको स्टोरी को डेवलप करने के लिए। पॉइंट नंबर 1, a good story has a clear plot which should be developed using the given outlines. तो एक स्टोरी में अच्छा प्लॉट होना चाहिए, क्लियर प्लॉट होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट वन, पॉइंट नंबर 2, no point in the given outline should be omitted. कोई भी पॉइंट को हमें omitted फॉर्म में नहीं करना चाहिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज नेम कैन बी गिवन टू द कैरेक्टर्स टू मेक द स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग। नेम देना चाहिए कैरेक्टर्स को ताकि स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग लगे और कैरेक्टर से हम एक फील कर सके, ठीक है, उस कैरेक्टर के जरिए। Now next one, the story should be well connected and logically developed. It should move on smoothly. Well connected, logically developed होना चाहिए, smoothly चलनी चाहिए वो story. Next one, the moral of the story should be stand in the end. Moral of the story end में होना चाहिए ताकि कुछ सीख मिले उस story से. Next one, remember to give your story a title. एक story अब जैसे अगर आप story लिख रहे हो तो उसका title होना compulsory है. Now next one, it is better to use past tense while writing a story. Past tense हमें use करना चाहिए जब हम story को लिख रहे हो. Okay? Now here the part B is given, develop the hints into a meaningful story. आपको hint दे रखा है, आपको इस hint से क्या करना है, story को develop करना है. So the story title is The Hare and the Tortoise. So let's read the story. Once a tortoise was walking on the road at his natural speed. A hare saw him and laughed at the slow speed in which the tortoise moved. Then he commented, "What a slow pace." The tortoise became sad and angry both, but he did not lose his patience. The hare challenged the tortoise to a race. "Do you want to have a race with me?" The hare again laughed at this and said, "What do you say, a race with me?" The tortoise only smiled and said nothing. The date and time of the race was fixed. The old monkey was made the judge. On the day when the race was going to be held, both the hare and the tortoise reached the fixed place at the given time. The race started. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise moved with his natural slow speed. After moving quite a distance, the hare stopped and looked back. There was no trace of the tortoise. "Let me rest for some time," thought the hare, and sat down under a tree to rest. Then he slept. The tortoise moved on and on, saw the hare sleeping, and moved on to the winning point. When the hare got up, he saw the tortoise reaching the winning point. He ran fast, but alas, he could not reach the winning point before the tortoise. The tortoise reached the winning point before the hare and won the race. So the moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Okay. Now there is the self-evaluation part, part D. Now develop the following hint into a meaningful story. Give a title to the story. आपको एक story लिखनी है और story को title भी देना है, ठीक है? Now next is second point, develop the following hints into meaningful story. आपको following hints से meaningful story create करनी है. Give a title to the story. Story का title भी देना है आपको. Next one, third point, develop the following hint into a meaningful story. यहाँ पर भी आपको story लिखनी है. Okay. I hope student that you understood this chapter. आपका homework है कि आपको इन following topics में story लिखना है, title भी लिखना है story का. Okay. Now I'm gonna meet you in another class. Till then, students. Bye bye.